Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today is the third episode of our series of rebuilding Jurassic Park. And now we finally have the DLC with the Stegosaurs and the Microceratops. The Alamosaurs are missing Force and Talnuts, okay. And Force is going to be a little bit hard to help you here with that. Sauropods always wanting more modern forest. Okay. Now he needs Talnut. I'm looking for places where I can put the Talnut. Okay, no, there. There, any dino sets now? Go. Cohabitation is your problem, not mine. Oh. We're now 4 stars. Okay, it's going to be 4 now. It's fine. Yeah, I thought it was going to be hardest to get money, but then the problem is that we already had all the species. We have a T-Rex, so let's look at Rexy. Last episode I did not look at Rexy at any moment. So on today we're probably going to rebuild the carnivores, because I think the herbivores areas here is fine. I think I will just add more species. And the brachio is not happy. Because cohabitation, I do not really care. So here we have the Dilophosaurus. Oh, yes, remember, I was going to do this on the last episode, but I forgot. Where? Oh, here, Jurassic Park. Viewing galleries. Gonna add some viewing galleries to the park, because we don't have any. Here. No viewing gallery. There. No, just straight. And then we can decorate. Here. And then... No. And I think, yeah, we can't do the can we do to the T-Rex? Yeah, we can do the Rexy. And the Compies. The Compies are here on this enclosure too. Gonna do here. Well, because the enclosure is too big, there really isn't a really good spot to do this. But gonna do... What about... Oh, I think this is a good part. Here. So, Chaos Theories is coming up this week. Yeah, this video will be uploaded on this week too, so it's fine. I'm most excited. I don't know, I really want more of the stories. Vehicle 105. It's Rexy. Danger to vehicle. I'm most excited for the story. Wanna know how the characters are doing now. Any other things here? Oh, the terrain here is really bad. Looks really good. Gonna add some rocks too. Gonna add around deers this area with the food. Yeah, we can get more T-Rexes. Let's see if there's let's see if this episode can go a full episode without any dinos breaking out. I think it will be really hard to do that. Oh no, there. Here. Tropical. I like using these rocks. The little compies there. So, what are your thoughts on the new DLC? I think this will be the last one because it's basically a DLC with all the dinos that most of the people wanted. So that really looks like a last DLC, which is okay, depending on how much difference will be the next game. What can we add here to look cool? Oh no, I think that's already there. Yeah, so no. I think yeah, the Cenozoic creatures will probably be on the next game, and that will be like the major sell point. Like the first one with dinos, this was like okay, we have dinos, but now we finally have pterosaurs and marine types, and then the third one will be we have dinos, pterosaurs, marine types, and now we have Cenozoic creatures there. I'm gonna put this log here. I wanted the bones carcass of the pterosaur. Give me a trike too. Have a raptor. It's like the death area. All the victims of the T-Rex. And then we remove this rock. Give me rock. There. Add a little bit of sand. Yeah. And now some small rocks. I like using the tropical. I don't really use much of the others. Alpine. Oh, okay, this two here I almost never uses. Yeah, I mostly use this tropical. Yeah. Compy, let's look at the compy. Hello, compy. You are a modded compy, are? No, you aren't. Okay. You are a mod comp, you are from the Camp Rotations mod. Is Rexy attacking the vehicles? Who is attacking the cars? Oh, a Herosaurus. Oh yeah, I need to do things with the Herosaurus. Now they are unhappy. Okay, let's finish the T-Rex because now I wanna add some decorations. And we need a visitor area here. About here. Let's do here. The Ford Explorer. Sorry. Get a restroom here. Oh yeah, I saw. I don't remember. It was a post of someone. I don't remember who. I saw. I think on Twitter, Facebook. I don't remember. Of them using like the other paths like this. Yeah, but doesn't look. Yeah, like this analytics. No. But it doesn't look really good here. I think on a straight path it will look good, but on the curve. There. Who needs power? Okay, you. Resupply. Can I have like a ranger team looking at that? So I don't have to resupply again. Okay, needs repair. Oh. Put down emergency. here. Do we need the sword area? We need more of them. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's close this area so the people here cannot look at this area, this part here, and then it gets exclusive to the tour people, that people go to the tour. Gift shop. Oh. Wait. Ah, freaking Dilophosaurus. Breakout target found. It's always the dilos. Need a better fence for the dilos now. Again. I already did that in the last episode, but look like I will need to do that again. Come prepare the fence. Can we try it? Let's see how difficult it will be to get the freaking dilo. Oh no. Okay, I do not have the aim to do that, this. No, you get the dilo there. Replace on for. Oh, no, no. I think not even Rexy has this strong of a fence on her enclosure. And another Dilophosaurus is out. Dilo. Thank you. Where is it? Where is Dilo? Oh, they got it. Okay. Let's do a little fountain area here. A Parasaurolophus fountain. Or do we do a... No, let's do a fountain. It looks cooler. And it looks beautiful. Esquece. Okay. Now. No. Damn it. Maybe... Okay. I can... I think this looks nice. No. Straight. Needs to be straight. Now we add the good looking trees. And let's add some plants and amber. Here. Can I can use the power of mods, but I don't know if it would look good. Let's see. Huh, I think it's fine. I can add some other plants too. Just maybe 4 more. Yeah, now on the channel we're going to have more gameplay videos because I am running out of ideas for evolution cinematics. Okay, now need to resolve this. There, we're going to have more evolution park buildings. There. Now decorations, but I need decorations that are plants. There. Oh. Nah, ooh, I think it looks good. Maybe sand? Oh, no, grass. Definitely grass. Let's add some rocks. No, I think it looks good with the rocks. Just some rocks. Not a lot. There. Okay, and now let's add T-Rex related stuff because you know the T-Rex paddocks like right up there. So I had this already on the park, but let's have another one. Here. T-Rex statue. T-Rex. Katso T-Rex. Oh yeah, no, we have the lights. Okay, I didn't check out the lights. But there's the new lights on the new update that I wanna use now. Okay, this T-Rex statue. Wow, I wonder which dinosaur is here. There. And another T-Rex skeleton. Oh no, oh, this looks really cool. Here. Lights. Ooh, this looks really cool. Okay. Oh, here, that's what I wanted to do. What about... Ooh, I think it looks really cool. Little bit higher. Oh no, the camera's a little wrong. There. Oh, I think it looks cool. Okay, I still am going to do more there on those areas, not just but the lights. Oh, we have this. This is the type of light that I needed here. Oh, okay. Oh, we're Carlos Lagoon. Oh, okay. We don't have a... Why? Nah, look at how much bright this is. And now look at this one. This one, the one that I need. But we don't have this on the surface. Maybe from the back? Oh, there. There. Oh, okay. I like it. Looks really cool. And same thing here. Not that's too much. I don't know, on this T-Rex is looking weird. I think it's because it's already all shiny. Oh! It's really shiny. Okay, now... Oh, I said fountains. There's little ones here. Rotate a bit there. Now I need grass to cover those areas there. Okay, now I'm gonna grab some trees. Where is the... Okay, I'm gonna add some trees to the background, but that was not what I was looking for. Bushes. There, here. Median tree. For me, this is a bush. I like to use as a bush. Oh, the storm's here already. Okay, yeah. Store. I need to open all shelters there. That's the thing, right? That I need to do. Oh heck yeah! That's the thing I need. Structure damage. Vodka damage. There. Let's go with that. It's hard to drive here during the storm, damn. Yeah, I need to add benches. Wait, no, one time the dials escaped. Oh no, it's... Nah, nobody escaped. Just her right there, it's fine. Wait, the storm is already over? Yeah. curse for all of us. The storm is over. Real quick storm. Do you remember the tornadoes on J-Pog? That was freaking terrifying. No, no dinos. Oh, I need to fix this too. Okay, car. Go fix here. Have a look here at our dinos. Yeah, oh. Here, there. Okay, let's see the T-Rex area. I need to add benches and the trash cans. And I think that maybe be it. Oh, let's add some stuff here. Add some crates just for background. Oh, here. Oh, yeah. Damn it. Can we add this? Look cool? No. Ooh, I think it looks cool. The T-Rex area here. Gonna add just some rocks and I think it's over the T-Rex. Rexy. You want more prey and you want more sand. Okay. Here. Rexy, I'm thinking of getting another T-Rex. How do you like your population? Oh, you're finding another Rex. Let's just finish here. Gonna put just some rocks and then let's get more T-Rexes. Jurassic. Oh, small power station. There. Okay, so now I think we're going to probably hit 5-star since I'm going to get another Rex. Let's get 2 more T-Rexes. I'm thinking of a Juvie T-Rex because I have the mod for the Juvie T-Rex, and then another adult. Okay, first the adults. We have the 90. Let's get the GP3. Then T-Rex. No, novel T-Rex juvenile extended. This one. You give me game. What novel T-Rex do you want me to use? The blue or the green? No, the green. Look, we're already going to have the green one. A red one. Oh, it's a. What's the name of the game? Fossil Fighters. Yeah, I think it is a Fossil Fighters T-Rex skin. Okay, this one. And then Strong, intolerant, and needy. Let's check it out. Let's see how he's going to do. Well, it has a pretty big habitat, so I think it's fine. What about the compies? They're fine with the population? 10. Oh, okay, they're fine. Oh, let's see the compete. On camera. There. Compete. Low health? What is on nothing? Something was on low health, but it's not anymore. Okay, so I think for this video, it's because I wanna do the more shorter videos, but I'm gonna record at least 2 more today, so it's not gonna take so much time to get another video. So now what can we do? What about the Dilos? What else can I add for the Dilophosaurus? Oh, you know something I can add, not for the Dilo, but for the Raptor? A viewing here. A dome viewing. Because you can only see the Velociraptors through the tour. There. Now you can see it from here too. No, there. Here. And then, can we add trees here? No, we can't, so just remove this, but let's add the long grass. Oh, the Dilophosaurus, oh, wrong, this is the Dilophosaurus. Yeah, gonna add those to the park now that I remember that we have that. Alamosaurus. Health. Okay, I need someone to check out on the Alamosaurus. He's on low health, so it's probably because of food. Town nuts. Here, you have food, but you won't have forest. Okay. He's not recovering health. No, he is. Okay, it's fine. Oh, about the T-Rex. I've already got that we're going to have T-Rexes. Now the fossil fighter T-Rex. Is there other Rex here? Yes. Missing water. Okay. Can we have water here? Can I make a little river? Kinda. Let's see, how are you T-Rexes feeling? You look good, Rexy. Oh no, that's not Rex, that's the other one, okay. Resupply. Up. Up. There. Yeah, basically this is the T-Rex episode. Yeah, I think I'm going to leave this episode as just the T-Rex. And then on the next one, we can focus on other dinos. Yeah. Wait, yeah, this week now that I'm going to post the T-Rex episode, it's just this one, but then the next one is going to have 2 episodes here. And then the second one will probably be Dilo and Raptor area. And then the other one will be Stegosaurus, because I want to have the Stegosaurus. What has an injury now? Ah, Alamosaurus. Stop kicking the fence, you stupid. Well, if the... And something broke the fence. Look who it is. Okay, we can move the Alamosaurus to that area there. I don't think there's a lot of them. Where the heck are you guys? Where are my rangers when I need them? Any rangers around here? Okay, gonna need you. Go 50. No. I can move the Alamosaurus to that area here. I think. Wreck and poisoning causes there's a. Okay. Mobile vet. Go medicate. He just broke the fence. He did not try to escape. He just broke. You broke because you are missing force and the freaking. God damn it. Are you happy now? Oh, now you're happy. Are you Brachiosaurus happy? Oh, you are 100%. So it's just the Alamosaurus that's being a pain. The bears are fine. Yeah. Sleepy bear. I wanna see the T-Rex. Missing open space. Oh, too much forest now. Wait, not here. No. Here we need the trees. Here we don't need the trees. Okay, we need another. We need 5 prey. Then. Now we need more sand and more water. Okay, I think I'm going to make a lake here. Yeah. And then more sand here. It's fine. Okay. Can I make just some rock here so it looks cool, T-Rexes? Yeah. There. You're only missing open space. Can I remove a little bit more trees? Yeah. Oh yeah, is that the T-Rex? Ooh, looks pretty good. The Fossified T-Rex. Right? Wait, are you the Fossified T-Rex or are you from Dinosaur King? Wait, let me research my Fossified dinos. Oh, okay. I was thinking of the Super T-Rex. No, it's not Super T-Rex. This is the Fossified T-Rex. Looks really cool. Then we have the compies that are fine here. And this part of the enclosure looks really ugly. But because nobody sees, I don't think I really care. Just gonna turn this into rock. Can I can add some grass here. Right, T-Rexes, you are not angry. You're missing open space. Wait, if I remove this, will give it more open space? I don't see really a difference. So, oh, you're 9-3, okay, so you're fine. T-Rexes. Now the Triceratops are not fine because they're missing ground fiber, but luckily they are on the part where I can happily add ground fiber to this area here, what was supposed to be the galley area. Everyone's fine? Okay, so let's finish the episode with the T-Rex here. Hello, Fossified T-Rex. You look really cool. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you all on the next video. Wait, let's... Yes, there, okay, bye guys.